Hey, Matt here with 911R Avant-Garde, and we have the 65 911 that's been built into a 911R Tribute, which, one of my favorite. In fact, that's why we are 911R on Brain Trailers, because I was building a 68 911R Tribute. But here you go. Here's an actual 65 car. I think this is chassis number 342, a pretty early car. The 911 was starting to produce in early 64. There's a few prototypes, and the 65 was the first production year. So this is a first year 911 short wheelbase car. This car was modified by Feustel Raceline in Germany, and was just brought to the U.S. Last year. And we've done quite a bit of work on this car. Porsche of Houston did quite a bit of work on this car, and I have to say this is like quintessential 911 hot rod, R group, race car, wherever you want to do it. This is a real sports purpose car you can do pretty much anything with. So let's go around and talk about. It's got 7-inch Fuchs on it all the way around that we just have refinished. It's got the proper RSR finish, so it's got a little more polish on the outside that fades into the matte finish, which is on the pedals on the inside of the rim. Freshly done, fresh wheel tires on it as well. Car is fiberglass front, fenders and hood on it. The H4 headlights. Ducting, you got the 911R turn signals, which were real special, and the big brake ducts on it. Let's open up the hood. Again, fiberglass hood. Fresh fuel cell, surge tank, fuel pumps, all the type of stuff that would be done on one of these cars. RS front strut bar, lightweight battery, just all the really cool stuff. The Raceline hood latch delete on it. Coming around the side, you got low profile, lightweight mirrors, fiberglass doors. You got ducts, pop out helicopter ducts to get more air in. There's somebody asking about the windows. So you lift up on the thing, you pull the strap, and you attach it right here. That's what holds the window up. That's how the 911Rs were doing back in the day, and that's really cool. You have the RSR style door cards with the leather pull strap. Really nice billet pull handles, a lot better than the plastic ones that the 911Rs did. Recaro pole position seats with peptid inserts. New carpet kit on it with rubber floor mats. 915 style shifter with the 901 gearbox. Short ratio, limited slip. 911R rear quarter panels with the little rain trays in it, pretty neat. And these are the pop-out windows, so you can actually get more air in the car as well. Again, you have a half cage in it. We do have the rest of the full cage that can come with the car, so that's something that comes with it. One other 911R attributes was the exposed hinges on the back, and the grate inside instead of having the grill. Underneath the engine cover here, we have, let's hold this up, a 2.2 built motor in this thing. This thing rips. It screams right along. One of the best sounding 911s I've heard in a long time. Big carburetors, just all this stuff. But some really trick parts, like the thermostat back here. That's real period correct parts. This is a sand cast early engine. It is we believe a replacement block because there is no number down on the stamping. But these early sand cast motors are really some of the coolest 911 motors they built. Really intricate, very strong. This car has got upgraded oil pumps in it, and just all this stuff. It's pretty trick. Raceline did and this is brand new, a Raceline dual outlet sport racing exhaust system. It's full headers, real lightweight, really beautiful when you look at it. And I did post an earlier picture. I can see, the thing is a piece of art. It's absolutely incredible. 911R tail lights. The 911Rs in 67 had a slight flare to it. It's very similar to an SC flare, but it's a little bit different, and this car has that as well. Again, opening up in the side, you got the period correct steering wheel, great switch panel and gears. You got stack tack, Just this car is really simple, as close to a 911R that really could be done. It's lightweight car, doors. We weighed it, weighs 1,982 pounds. That's light. I mean, I think a modern 911 today is probably close to 4,000 pounds. It's got a new windshield in it. All the seals, the door trim, and everything is really good. It is signed by Molly, and pretty neat. It does have some PPF on the car, I believe, as well. Pretty neat example. To build a car like this would cost hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, let alone finding a 65 911 to start with. This is a really special car. Again, if you want to go to track day, you want to go out in the R group meet type stuff, you want to go to a Luftical event, you want to go to any Porsche gathering, this car is one that's going to gather attention and just be really a special ride. Any questions, please reach out to me. We'll get right back to you. If you need a shipping quote, or also if you're interested in 911Rs selling a car for you, reach out to us. Use the contact seller button, and hope everybody had a great 4th of July and a great weekend coming up, and look forward to talking to everybody. Thank you.